What's up? It's Ayiana Maria and I am back. Yes, I am back with another guitar lesson. Today we're going to be learning how to play Thought It Was by Iann Dior, Travis Barker, and Machine Gun Kelly. Let's hop straight into it. Alright, so for this song they're playing E minor, G, D, and C. For the E minor, you're on the 2nd fret with their second and third fingers. And the strings they're strumming with their strumming hand is 6, 3, and 6, 3, and 4. Alright, and then you move to the G on the 3rd fret, the 3-finger G, and they are strumming 6, 2, 3. And then D is 4, 1, 2, and then C is 5, 1, 2. And of course, for all the root notes, you're going to be using your thumb to hit the root notes. So for E minor, you're going to be using your thumb to hit the 6th string, for G, the 6th string, for D, the 4th string, and for C, the 5th string, and you can use whatever fingers feel right to pluck the rest of the strings. Don't think about it too much, just flow. And all together, we have Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to see the full in-depth lesson for this song, including chord charts, explanations, as well as backing tracks and lyrics, consider joining my Patreon, where you can also find information on getting a personal lesson one-on-one. Thank you so much for watching again. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Please like and share and subscribe if you learned a lot from this video. And peace out.